Forget expensive cough syrups. This homemade natural syrup beats them all. We're keeping things going with this powerful homemade cough syrup recipe. The base is just onion and garlic. Simple, but packed with antibacterial power. I like to enhance it further with rosemary and cinnamon for extra antioxidants and that warm, soothing flavor. Then, cover it all with pure honey, nature's own cough medicine. Let it infuse on the counter for 24 hours and store it in the fridge. And boom, you've got your own natural antioxidant-rich cough syrup ready whenever you need it. No chemicals, no side effects, just pure healing from your kitchen.